Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to fix one of the most common grammar mistakes in English, the difference between its and its. These two words look almost the same, sound exactly the same, but mean very different things. By the end of this lesson, you will never confuse them again. It's with an apostrophe is a contraction. A contraction means two words are combined into one. It's equals it is. It's equals it has. That's it. That's the rule. If you can replace it's with it is or it has, then it is correct. Examples. It's raining outside. It is raining outside. It's been a long day. It has been a long day. It's very cold today. It is very cold today. I think it's going to be late. It is going to be late. It's happened before. It has happened before. If the sentence still makes sense when you say it is or it has, use its. It's without an apostrophe is a possessive pronoun. It shows ownership, just like his, hers, theirs, yours. It means something belongs to it. No apostrophe, no contraction, just possession. Examples. 1. The dog wagged its tail. The tail belongs to the dog. 2. The company changed its policy. The policy belongs to the company. 3. The tree lost its leaves. The leaves belong to the tree. 4. The cat cleaned its paws. The paws belong to the cat. 5. The phone lost its signal. The signal belongs to the phone. There is no apostrophe because this is possession, not contraction. Why is this confusing? Because with nouns, we use apostrophe for possession. John's book, Maria's bag, but not with its. This is an exception in English. Possessive pronouns never use apostrophes. His, hers, ours, yours, theirs, its. Here's a simple trick you can always use. Replace the word with it is. If it works, it's. If it sounds wrong, it's. Example. The bird is in its cage. The bird is in its cage. That's wrong. So the correct word is its. Another example. It's a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day. This is correct. Now it's your turn. Here's a quick practice for you. I'll give you 1 minute to think the right answers in the following questions. 1. The robot finished blank task. 2. Blank going to start soon. 3. The car lost blank wheel. 4. Blank been a great week. Are you done? Here are the answers. Remember, it's equals it is or it has. It's equals possession. And that's it. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who always makes this mistake. See you in the next lesson.